Again, I am at the Wolves only party. I am just being awkward at the moment, and I have got a new costume for this one. See? I don't know what that. But yeah. This is her, and she is awesome to me. I got a rare sombrero, but like I gave that to my other profile, and it wouldn't actually work because like it would come up, but it wouldn't be there. Like it would, that would be right there when it was supposed to be there, and that was supposed to be down there. Yeah. And this takes me to. It was supposed to be a boy that I just changed it to a girl. I said it was a girl. Wait. I choose it as a boy for some reason. And it still won't work. It's still not there, so it's like, yeah. Hopefully it comes soon. I just changed it to the girl, so it still doesn't come up. I'll like put it on Facebook. See? Facebook. I guess I didn't see it. Okay. This is just awkward at the moment. Anyway, some kind of some that one. If you want to be my buddy, add me, and like, but if you don't go on 30 days or less, I will unbuddy you because I need to space up my friend list. It's one of my other profiles. 29 days. Let me just look. Sometimes if you're in 20, like if you haven't been in 25 days or something like that, yeah. Hmm. I had a dream last night that she gave me that, but it was non-rare. Because I could give her. And yeah. And I practically need to get stuff I need to get. Oh, and this is like a really weird thing. My friends got that for my den, and I've got the exact same, but it's like different style. It's this for her den. It's like really weird. Well, I guess the oh, and I guess these ones are expensive ones. Yeah, and okay. That raspberry was actually mine, and then yeah, this wouldn't work. So I thought it would work for the profile that has that. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I know how to get a headdress, but like everyone else who's trying to, I've tried it the coral penguins glitch once, but like not it's not really glitch, and like not the bridge breaking one. I've tried the sky high glitch. Like if you do it 3 times on the third time, I'm pretty sure you would get a rare headdress or a headdress. And yeah. And if you wanna try the the best dressed glitch, I'm more than happy to show you how to, but yeah, it's just not really working, but you're gonna have to be on like practice round. Do this. 1, 2, 4. Setting red. Yes. And you're supposed to get it, but like it doesn't really work. So if it works for you guys, that's good. Yeah, it just doesn't really work for me. And I'm going to down. Well. Oh, yay! If Slurpy Eagle isn't that to you guys, and I'm sorry. It was really fun. It is really fun. But it is kind of annoying and irritating. Ah. Irritating and everything. That's my dog spot. I'm gonna have to end this video soon. Uh, if anyone here knows Fman122, I searched him up, and he's not really real. Okay? So, you're not gonna arrange it because of that. It is a girl. Her name is Charlie, and it stands for the F word, Fman122, which is really rude. If anyone hasn't watched that video yet, well, and if she's hacked you before, I'm sorry to hear that. Can you put it in the comments below if they have hacked you? I betcha Charlie's gonna strike again with all the other profiles. I'm almost ending this video, so you guys can actually see all my animals. If you don't know my animal, well, all my animals, it's almost, so there's them, and I have Photoshop. So, it's almost ending. I will see you guys soon and everything, and hopefully you have a nice time along the gym and nothing happens or anything, because I don't even say people or hack people. Okay, I'm not a hack. I'm not a hack. Yeah. Well, bye guys.